What's up, y'all? Happy Friday. Yeah, I was supposed to start packing earlier this week, and clearly I'm back to let y'all know I didn't start. But I did get the materials that I need. Some boxes from Home Depot. I got some bubble wrap. I got some tape. Yeah, so we got our materials. That's a good start. And I also did my hair yesterday. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like when you're moving, you are subject to look like a gremlin. It's just a lot of moving parts. I really don't love this style, but nonetheless, it's 6:30 right now. I need to pack something in order to feel fulfilled today. So on today's agenda, I'm going to pack my books. I have a lot of books, and I'm excited to like get into a bigger space so I can actually have like a little reading nook. I have some books here, down here. This is pretty much like all my business related stuff. Some cookbooks over here. I have some of just like my favorites, just regular like self-help and fiction books. I am going to show y'all some of my favorite books while I'm packing them. A lot of the business books I have not read. These are pretty much my stack of like business books. These books were gifted to me by my grad school and then the job that I worked at when I lived in New York. Our cookbooks. I've actually used a lot of recipes out of my cookbooks. I really like this The Kitchen one. I feel like they have like a lot of good, quick, fun recipes. Pinky Cole, Eat More Plants. So this is another cookbook. I've used a lot of these recipes, but I would say this is more so of a fall cookbook when you're trying to have your big bag. These are some of my herbalism books. I probably got some more scattered in there. But I love Karen Rose. If you don't get her book, then at least follow her on Instagram because she has a lot of knowledge. And I use this book religiously. And I have used, it's the Encyclopedia of Magical Herbs. I have used this book for years. Like, these are some of my spiritual books. So this book right here, it is centered on African spirituality, but I think it's a great way to just understand relationships and like power dynamics within relationships. And then these are all of my kind of like learning and self-help books. Women Who Run with Wolves, this was a recommended book. I have not finished it, but hopefully I can finish this. Bell Hooks, I finished both of these. Wild Power, this is a great book for understanding your period. Like, this book put me on the period journey. Like, now how everybody talking about like understanding your cycle, syncing your cycle. Years ago I read this book and it opened up a lot for me. Again, understanding relationships. If you are somebody who hasn't had a lot of like positive examples of relationships, sometimes you have to use outside sources to learn. And I really love this book, The Astrology of Me and You. And it basically has all of the signs, and you can learn about the sign, how they interact with parents, children, roommate, how they are in love. And I found this to be actually like 10 out of 10. Hey y'all, ooh, look at that sun. I'm back. The time is 6:48. And I talked to y'all almost 12 hours ago when it was 6 o'clock in the morning. And since then, I have not packed anything else besides my books. Which is mainly because I got my period like 2 days early, but it is the full moon and I typically am aligned with the moon. So I took a long relaxing bath and just got some other things done around the house. Your girl made this very yummy white bean, I don't even know what to call it, like one pot white bean meal. And then I'm actually about to top it with some of these crunchy chili onions. Yeah. And then I have some garlic bread in the oven. I just want something warm and nourishing. I probably will go to sleep after this, but I'm gonna try to pack one more box. Woo, I had to pick the camera up to just say like, I'm really like that in the kitchen because That was literally like a 10-minute meal that I thought of in my mind, and it was so good. I'm just on here venting right now because I'm just so excited to move, and I feel like I'm getting so many questions about why you move, why you move. It doesn't matter if I move from A to B or B to C or B back to A. People always question like why I'm moving. And first of all, like, I don't have any kids. There's nothing that's keeping me in one place. If I want to pack up and move tomorrow, if I had the money, I will do that. And then number two, I just don't like sitting in a space for more than a year. Like, anytime I'm in a space, especially a small space, for more than a year, it just started to feel like lived in. Does that make sense? What's up, y'all? Happy Saturday. Woo, it is my last Saturday in Maryland, and I can't say that I'm sad about it. Whatever mess that y'all see in the background just now, it's moving time. It's moving time. I got a big excuse. But it is currently 9:25, and my homegirl hit me up yesterday wanting to go hiking, but we decided that we were just gonna go to breakfast. Y'all, I was so on the fence about my hair because it was my first time putting weave in my locks myself and doing this particular style, but I'm just glad that I did it, and I just couldn't imagine waking up without my hair done. But anyways, I'm gonna take my camera, so I will see y'all when we get to the Breakfast Club. Happy Sunday. I can't leave without going to the farmers market. It's one of my favorite places. I really can't get a lot of groceries because I can't take anything, but I'm gonna just get some fruit that I can eat up. Oh, my boyfriend came to town. Hey y'all, I'm back from the farmers market. I would say it was a pretty successful trip. Got a lot of stuff, a lot of snacks, just because when you packing and moving and stuff, you gotta have a little snacky snack. So I'm about to do a little haul and show y'all what we got. It was so hot, like I'm so ready to take a shower. And that's another reason why I need a bigger place, because right now I only got one shower and I gotta wait. But I got this kettle corn, which was supposed to be for the long journey, but I'm eating it now. I got this tamarind juice. This was sold by like an older black woman, so I just got it just to like put some money in her pocket. Fresh cherries. They must be good because this is literally the only one that they had left. Apples, peaches, apricots, and then we did get some fresh beef from a farm, and I think this is gonna be my boyfriend's first time. Have you ever had beef from a farm, babe? Like a immediate cow?
I don't know.
Okay, I think this is gonna be his first time having like really fresh beef that's not from the grocery store. We got some more veggies in here, and I think we're gonna put this stuff on the grill tonight. So yeah. Happy Thursday, everybody. Oh my God, I am so happy to be at the last leg of this moving. Most of the stuff in my apartment is packed up, but I'm at the point now where it's just so many boxes and things everywhere that I can't move, I can't function. So I got the U-Haul. I'm about to start packing that up. I did have to hire a little bit of help because I wasn't about to help. Also, I got parting gifts, and I'm putting together these little goodie bags with just a candle and some chips for the maintenance crew that worked on my apartment while I was here. So I'm about to do that and then meet the movers, and I'll see y'all later. Am I the only girl that isn't afraid to drive like big ass trucks and stuff? You got something to say?
You don't want me to say what I'm gonna say.
Exactly, I don't. Finally empty. Let's get into my plants. Got the kitchen cleaned up. Got the bathroom clean. Got the bathroom clean.
Is that it?